Okay, this is the Frost King Air Conditioner Coil Foam and Cleaner Heavy Duty Detergent. It says it has a new low VOC formula. Easily removes dirt, grease, and oil. Self-rinsing on condensate producing coils. Can also be used for car radiators, lawnmower engines, refrigerator and freezer coils, and more. I'm going to use this foaming cleaner to clean out our A-coil inside of our house and also our condenser unit outside. It's hopefully going to help reduce our temperature, so we'll see. Okay, as you can see, it's 76 degrees in this house. The air has been set on 69 all day. Continually rose. It's about 8 o'clock at night right now, somewhere in that range. It's still holding true at 76. So we're going to turn it off, turn the power off, the breaker, and then hopefully get some stuff clean. Okay, this is inside, and this is my A-coil. So you can see it's very, very, very dirty. I actually cleaned this up with a vacuum cleaner earlier today, but we're gonna try to get all we can out of it, and I'm not gonna video this part of me spraying this on here because I don't want anything to fall on the phone. I don't have a good case or nothing on it. So anyway, that's what the inside looks like right now. So okay, it didn't say to, but I'm gonna wait until later, about 30 minutes or 20 minutes or 15 minutes to turn this back on, just so when the wife and kids get home they're not sweating to death. But hopefully this will help. I'm just gonna let it eat on that, all that stuff in there. I probably shouldn't be doing this either, but this side looks pretty clean. But I'm still gonna spray some stuff on there. Like I said, I probably shouldn't be doing it because I don't want to spray the force of it back into the return. But I want to get this thing as clean as possible, so I'm gonna spray it anyway. Here's my outside unit. It's been put through the ringer, and one of the main problems that this thing has is that when we installed this dryer vent is right next to this, and we didn't catch it, or I didn't catch it, and the people who installed this unit didn't catch it. And I've already cleaned it out with the water hose once this year, but you can still see a little bit of stuff up there on the top, and just this lint just cakes it to death. So I'm gonna give her a good dousing with this cleaner stuff. Shake it up. I'm gonna just completely soak it. I got another bottle, so if I run out, I'm gonna go get it. But I'm just going to completely annihilate it. And that's another thing for a fat boy to try to jam himself through there. It's probably gonna take some doing. So I'm gonna turn the video. Okay. It's been about 20 maybe minutes or so. And this is what it looks like in there now. I'm still working on it. The cleaner's still working on it. You can see it in there just draining stuff. So that's what it's out. And I will say one thing, this stuff right here smells so good. I love the way this stuff smells. Okay, it's 9 o'clock and it's already down to 75 degrees. Of course, it's dark outside now, but we have
2 ceiling fans and 5 box fans going at the same time, trying to get this thing cooled off. Because it is pretty sweaty in here.